If you're considering getting a medical marijuana card in New Jersey, the first step is a clinical evaluation with a licensed doctor. My MMJ Doctor offers a secure, HIPAA-compliant online platform to help you move forward with confidence and clarity. Head over to mymmjdoctor.com and select New Jersey as your state. Once you proceed further, enter your name, email address, and phone number. In the following step, choose your visit type and pick a date and time that works best for you. Click Confirm to receive an appointment summary immediately. After that, enter your payment details to book an appointment, then verify your identity by providing your ID number and a photo ID. Once that is done, fill in your personal details, such as your address, birth date, height, and weight, followed by your medical history, and upload any relevant medical documents. A pop-up will appear to confirm your health record. Give it a quick digital signature to finalize your information. Your consultation with a licensed New Jersey medical professional is then scheduled right away. Most consultations are brief, usually around 5 to 10 minutes, during which the doctor discusses your condition to determine your eligibility. After your evaluation, the provider issues an authorizing healthcare practitioner statement and provides you with a reference number. This information is used to complete your registration in the New Jersey Medicinal Cannabis Program portal. Once your registration is approved, you will receive your Medicinal Cannabis Program ID, MCP ID, which allows you to legally purchase medical cannabis from licensed dispensaries across the state. So, start your journey towards meaningful relief with mymmjdoctor.com, all from the comfort of your home, because the right guidance can make all the difference.